Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Lauren. If you do not know who I am, I create the mommy vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, natural hair videos, and just kind of everything in between. So today is Saturday morning. As you see, you know it's up. I thought I'd do a what my toddler eats in a day vlog style. Hopefully this goes right, at least enough to post. But yeah, so we just got up. Not what time is it? It is 10:25. We kind of got up really late. We kind of got up later than usual. So I want to go ahead and show you guys what I got for him, or like what I'm going to cook for him, which is going to be some waffles and some type of fruit. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got for him. If you like these type of videos, obviously go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into it. Okay, so I just cleaned up the kitchen. So I'm about to go ahead and grab his breakfast. Like I said, he's going to have chocolate waffles. Yeah, my freezer looks a hot mess. Don't judge. But I fixed him 2 of the chocolate chip waffles here. Hey guys, so I know I said I was going to do a vlog, which I still tried to do, but the vlog did not turn out so good. You already know with the toddler you can't get nothing done. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wash the strawberries here now. And then I always like to make sure there's no bruising on the strawberries. I also kind of make sure they're not like too soft, because Noah's very picky and he eats with his eyes. And if it does not look good, he will not eat the strawberries. So get those rinsed off. And then I always, for his waffles, I will toast it first for a couple of seconds, and then I'll put it in the microwave. So that way it gets toasted on the outside, but also still like chewable on the inside. Does that kind of make sense? Y'all know what I'm talking about. And then I will go ahead and start cutting up the strawberries into little pieces, and make sure I cut the ends off with the stem, so that way he doesn't do that himself and it's easier to eat. But yeah, and I know, like, y'all, my stomach, I have not been like exercising, and my B flat I have not been using about a month or so. And because, not that I don't trust it, it's just I ran out and I have not bought anymore. But that's for a separate video. Anyway, I'm getting his waffles out now, and then I'll go ahead and just finish cutting up the strawberries. Now, you may think this is a lot of food for him, but my son loves to eat. So he's 3, but he eats like a 5 or 6-year-old. Hence his size, his weight, all that. So he eats this much food on a regular basis, and there's no issue at all. So 2 waffles and then just about 3 or 4 strawberries are just good enough for him, and he's very much satisfied. I always like to break up his waffles, because I don't feel like having him cut it with this fork or with this knife. It's just easy if I do it myself. And I just make sure there's like just smaller pieces to eat with his hands, so that way it doesn't have to do that and make a big mess. And then after I get done, I'll just drizzle it with some syrup. And I'm be very honest, I don't really be too much picky on the syrup, because I know, like, at the end of the day, whether it be sugar-free, light syrup, whatever, it's still syrup and it's still sugary. So it's cool with me. But yeah, so this is his breakfast. And then, like, I usually kind of will mix up the fruit depending on what I have in the refrigerator. But that's just what he would eat on a normal, like, Saturday, Sunday morning with me. And this is him eating. He has to have his iPad. But yeah, he loves his waffles. He is a waffle boy, tell you that much. And then that's just him finish up his strawberries. And I didn't say this earlier, but I usually will fill his cup with about half a cup of some milk to wash it all down. But yeah, he'll definitely demolish his breakfast at no time. Let's just move on to lunch now. So lunch will kind of just depends on the day, honestly. So today was like a late lunch, so it was probably, I think, like 3 or 4 this time. So usually has lunch kind of like after his nap, but this is just a simple routine I do for him. I will get a Uncrustable. I had only the hazelnut chocolate one in the fridge, so that's the one I used. He loves Uncrustable, and they're so easy to just pop out of the fridge or put in the microwave a couple minutes or a couple seconds, and bam, that is lunch. He loves the chocolate ones or the strawberry ones. And you might think, like, why am I buying Uncrustables? I can make my PB&J. I ain't feel like it, so we got Uncrustable today, okay? But I usually will cut it in half, and then I'll get a applesauce for the side. And then applesauce, I mean, just kind of depends. He loves cinnamon applesauce. I don't always buy the name brand. That was just on sale when I got it. But yeah, I'll open the applesauce for him, make sure everything is already done on his plate, so that way he does not have to ask me again to open anything. It's already done for you, Noah. No need to call mommy. But yeah, I'll go ahead and also get him some pretzels. I try to incorporate some type of, like, either chips or something like that on the side, so you can have something crunchy too. When I try to give Noah his lunch, I try to do also texture in mind. Hence applesauce, the crunchy pretzels, the soft Uncrustable, because he's like that. So anyway, this is his lunch. Very simple, very, like, just traditional, nothing fancy. And yeah, he'll he'll eat his Uncrustable first. Literally, that's the first thing he's gonna touch. Maybe he wouldn't get that off his plate, but he'll first eat his Uncrustable, because he loves Uncrustables to the max, no matter what kind it is. But he loves strawberry and chocolate ones. But yeah. Yeah, so this is what he would typically eat with me on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, because weekdays he's at school eating. So it's very simple, nothing too complicated, because he is also picky most times. But yeah, if you kind of like these videos, let me know down below. I didn't do a long video because it was kind of like a teaser to try it out. But if you want to see a huge, like, what I eat in a day for Noah, Monday through Friday, obviously can't do that, but I would typically do one on the weekends for you guys. For a breakfast, lunch, and dinner, just let me know down below. But I will see you guys in the next video, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, you guys.